Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today I'm bringing you something that I've been meaning to do for quite a while now actually. Fully cannot remember when I bought this, but I bought it a while ago. There is a previous video featuring this product, and that is the Revolution Ultimate Essentials kit, I guess. So this comes with like a load of different cool products. I'm sorry for like the shine and reflection from the ring light there, but it has got plastic on it. Maybe if I hold it like that, that's better. So yeah, you have some like a really wild variety of like essential products that you kind of need. There are some things in here that obviously you could totally do a full makeup look with this, but you know, there's no foundation, there's no cream contours and set. There's just certain little bits that there's none of in here, but I'm gonna do my best to pretty much essentially just use these products, including the brushes as well, because I'm really interested to see what they're like. So yeah, I think we should just dig into this, really give a review on all of the different products that it comes with, let you guys see what the hell this is all about, is this even worth it, etc, etc. But yeah, so without further ado, I think I should just shut up now and get to actually opening it up. Gonna get my scissors, swap my hands, because I'm too lazy to actually take the sticker off, and I think it's just easier sometimes just to claw your way into it, you know? Why not? Don't need that anymore. So yeah, we have all these different awesome products on here. So you've got an eyebrow kit there, which has quite a lot of different things in there. We have a duo highlight, baked highlight. We have an assortment of brushes. I know this one is for contour, this one is a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and this is just a flat-headed eyeshadow brush. We also have our eyeshadow primer, the Revolution Reloaded palette. I can't remember what shade this is, but we'll check that out in a second. A Revolution's lip kit down here. This has just got a load of different lipsticks, basically like a lip palette, I guess is what I should have said, not a lip kit. And this is a contour, highlight and blush trio. So that is what this comes with. So we're gonna pretty much try and just use all the products in this to basically do this face and make myself look pretty. Can we do it? Who knows? So yeah. Okay, so just to let you know, I have actually just put on some primer and some foundation just so I've got a little bit of a base canvas to work with. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and get going with some stuff. Okay there, so yeah, this is the finished look. I'm actually quite gagged at some of these products. Like, you can create so many looks out of just this one set of products. Like, it's kind of baffling almost. And I only needed, you know, my base, and everything else on my face at the very moment is everything that is in that one set. I only had to use a couple of other brushes with this kit, which is quite cool because like a lot of these different like kit kind of things, you need to have, like, they don't come with any brushes. One thing I do want to say, this brush is awesome. It's so soft and it just really gets that colour in. And along that line as well, favourite product by far out of this whole set is the contour palette. It's so versatile. You know, these colours match my skin really well, I'd say. And they're totally like buildable and you can blend them out. At first when I put it on I was like, whoa, I think I've gone too dark. But turns out I actually didn't. So I'm really happy with this look, but I hope, you know, that this has come across as quite intriguing to you guys and, you know, gives you enough of a reason to want to purchase this. So if you do want to get this look and get this kit, get down below and check out that description because all of these, well, this one product will be linked down there so you can get it for yourself. And yes, I guess, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know with a thumbs up and a comment down below. And I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.